That'll do. Let's create something awesome. Something feline, perhaps? That'll do.
Hey, lady! Down here! Help me, please! I can't breathe.
What? A sick cat!
Can't meow.
Please don't die. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. I'll save you. Just hang on a bit longer, kitty. The doctor is in. You ready? I know I am. Move aside, people. Administering electric shock.
Wait, what is that? Are you nuts?
Fine. I guess we can try this instead. You better hold still. This color is fantastic.
Hey, what are you doing? I don't think so.
I'm running out of ideas here. Wait, can I borrow this? You thirsty, kitty?
What's that? It's not a needle, is it? Hey, that's pretty good. Thanks, weird lady.
Good job. You're feeling better. Such a sweet kitty you are.
Easy on the whiskers.
What a relief. Oh, is that me?
It's you! I was in the trash. Okay?
That stank has gotta go. Perfume to the rescue.
Perfume? Now hold on.
Prepare to smell nice.
Easy with that stuff.
Wow, nice. Now what? What's this? A finger brush. Yes. Now we're talking.
Wow, that feels incredible. Yeah, right there. Under the ears.
Worked like a charm. Let's kick it into high gear. Just like your mama used to do. Gross. You sure shed a lot. What's that?
Your turn!
Ah, that's so sweet.
Feels good, right? Up high!
Awesome. Are you having fun? What's that smell?
No litter box, no problem.
Wait, what? You pooped on my couch? Gross! It just smells so bad. No way. More? Oh no, it's everywhere. It's like I'm living in a litter box. Wait a minute. I'll show that poop who's boss. It's go time. Gotcha. This thing's great.
Go!
Oh, yes. So much poop. Only one thing left to do. Welcome to your new home. It's like a poop party.
Oh, there's the litter box.
See all this?
Stop touching it, you nut! Anyway.
No. You go poop in here.
What now?
Like this, see? In there.
This is boring me.
There you go. Potty training is hard. Hello, old friend. School time. But what about Kitty? Sorry, little guy.
Don't leave me! I'm just a baby.
Wait! We can still stay connected. Just wear this camera collar. There, it fits like a glove. Bye.
Have a nice day.
See you soon.
She's gone. What shall I destroy first? Is that a plant? Bad ficus. Furry imposter? These things are everywhere. Interesting photo. Over it! Hey, this thing goes up high. Almost there. Uh-oh. That was unfortunate. So many strings! Got him! Hey, is that her laptop? I hear the net's full of cat videos. Yes. This cat knows the jams. Hey, she's back!
Hello, Kitty, I'm home. What did you do? You're gonna pay! That was a rough moment. And now I have to clean. That naughty cat! Must be nice to be carefree. Cats will be cats. No way! I can sell cat videos online? I'm gonna be rich. I'll be swimming in cash. Make it rain! Wow. Money, honey. Now make me famous. Keep on licking just like that. And now we post. Why isn't anyone liking it? It's cute, isn't it?
3 hours later.
What? Did it go viral? 0 likes? I'll be lucky if I make a dime. Kitty? Hello, Kitty? Where are you? Kitty? Oh no, where are you? Kitty? Hello? Where are you hiding? Are you upstairs, Kitty? I know you're here somewhere. But where? I don't understand. Wait, is that a letter? It has my name on it. But who's it from?
Dear Rachel, I left to join the circus. It's my dream. Love, Kitty.
He just left. I can just imagine how it went.
She'll just have to understand. You only live once, right? Off to the circus I go.
Well, as long as he's happy. I'm really gonna miss that fur ball. Will I ever be happy again? Bye, Kitty.
Oh boy, I can't believe! Get the clothes on. Oh, the bag. Oh, and the booster. Don't forget the key. Oh no. Sorry, Mom. See you later. Must get that coffee in the blood. Let's make you curly and fresh, my babies. Almost there. I'm here. Oh no. It's a test. A test? What do you mean? The test starts in 1 minute. Oh my god, how can I forget about the test? Where is that chit shit? Come on. We need some disguise for this. Genius. Now ready for the test. Oh, wow. This is cool. What are you doing, Rachel? Doing the test, miss. Okay, carry on. Whoa, safe for the day. Oh my god, that's scary.
Good morning, students. It's time for a test.
What? Another test? Gotta get some help. My phone. Alright, place the phone here. Draw a line around the phone. Perfect shape. Yay! Ready for the test. Straight A is all I aspire to achieve. Oh.
No notebooks, young lady.
How am I gonna get an A without the cheat sheet? Bye now, phone. Oh, that's an idea. Oh, time to get crafty, people. Come on, work with me, glue.
What's going on over there?
Huh? What is this? My hand! It's stuck!
Everything looks fine. Now, where was I?
That was close. Alright, back to work now. Apply the glue on the phone casing. Stick the color pencil. Great! Time for selfies. Must get the right angle. Okay, smile. He's coming.
Seems a bit strange. He's fine.
He fell for it. Chit sheet's back on. Okay, right, alright, okay, nice.
What do you think you're doing?
Hi, Mr. J.
This is your last chance.
Wherever. This is your last chance. I need a little refreshment. So fresh. Oh, I have a great idea. We only need a marker and the answer key. Just scribble it on the bottle. Wish I'd know this trick sooner. There you go. Now sit there until I need you.
Man, I'm thirsty. Hey, can I have a sip?
Sure. Help yourself.
Thanks, cola's my favorite.
Let me see that bottle.
But,
Oh, look what we got here.
oh man, how did it get
Kidding,
there?
are you? Detention.
Oh, please!
Oh, finally, break time. Whoa, avalanche! Whoa. Oh, jeez, now I have to tidy up my locker. Alrighty, color paper bags and magnets will sort this out. Stick the paper bag with the magnet. Another one over here. Store the stuff in the bag. Pens and pencils too. Pretty cute, huh? Mary Kondo will be proud of me. Can't wait to see the test
Your
results.
test, Rachel.
Thanks, Mr. J. What? F minus? But how? I'm doomed. Huh. I know just the trick to change it. One stroke here and a small one there. I'm so proud of me.
Give me that.
Whoa! 2 hours of detention? No way! This is too boring. What to do? Pants are boring. I'm so bored. Oh, what a mess. Let's staple them then. Look at these cute paper clips. Oh, Mr. Elephant wants to help. Clip it on. Cute but not pretty enough though. No, still boring. Candace will do the magic. Oh yeah, tiny lollipop. And the glue gun. Spread the glue on the lolly. Now stick the paperclip onto the lolly. Very pretty. Just like a magic. Next, pencils. Let's make them fancy. Hold the pencil like this. Put some hot glue on its blunt end. Make sure to put enough amount. Okay, now stick the cute Candace. Oh, pretty cute stationery. Love it. The last one. Let's make it shiner. Apply the glue again. Oh, now the glitter snow. Pour the glitter onto the glue. Oh, fabulous. How about more colors? Oh, yeah. Fairy godmother of unicorn heaven. This is so pretty. Time to draw. A little smiley head for you. Huh? Oh, bummer. Where did I put the sharpener? Maybe in my bag? Oh, silly me, of course it is. Well, impress me, Mr. Sharpener. Spin, 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 Sharpie. Amazing! Now let's get back to business. Done! Put some colors. Watercolor paint will work perfectly for my masterpiece. Okay. Oh no, my drawing! What should I do? Oh, I know. Don't worry, just duct tape it around and stick it back to the ring. Cleaning cup goes in the ring. Nice! When you're done with the brush, just dip it to the water. And dry it in a separate cup. I need to start studying for the test. Mom's gonna be happy with this one. It's geometry. Make a circle. Easy peasy. That doesn't look like a circle. Must be another way to make a circle. Pencil and scissors. Stick the pencil on one hand of the scissors. Tighten it with the tape. Oh, there. Stand the scissors on the paper. And move the paper around till you get a circle. Beautiful circle. Good job, team. Moving on. Oh, not a fan of arithmetic, but maybe hydrate first? I know just a tool. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. 4 cups. 5 cups. That's cool. I have all the basic operations. Let's do it. Finally, all done. Huh? Can you watch where you're going, Mr. J? Now I have to organize again all this mess. Ugh. Oh, I know what can help me organize. Bejeweled label printer, yeah. Turn it on. Type the label and print. Here it comes. Labels are ready. And get your binder clips ready too. I can relax now.
Explain that.
Oh no!
Home kids these days.
You think you can stop me? Oh no, you can't. Yeah, the perfect surface for label art. Stay still, will you?
What was that? These kids are always up to something.
That was close. So hot in here. AK doesn't work again. Oh, good idea! Move away, need space for my invention! If the Anderson duct tape can do, stick the other end here, put it down, you got yourself a paper fan! Nice and breezy, that's better! Oh, so boring, nothing to do. Maybe something in my bag can cheer me up. Let's see. A fidget pan? Whoa, so cool! Check it out! Fancy color! Wow, magnet! They don't fall even when you shake it. What else can this do? Alright! Looks like a revolver. What happens if I spin it? Whoa, guys, it levitates! It's a levitating revolver! Whoa! Oopsie! Let's leave him nap for a while. Oh no! I have a test! Whoa! Hey, Pixie! Help me out! Need a holder for my phone? Sure! Cool! Get this hair out of the way! Place the phone casing under the t-shirt. Now put the phone into the casing. Perfect! I'm ready for the test! Is that the sign? Okay. Hang on, Pixie, just a bit more. Nobody sees this. Quick, before he sees you.
Another F. This is what happens if kids play video games too much. Unbelievable. Huh? What's that noise? What's going on there?
It's ticklish. Rachel, hurry up.
Very suspicious.
Oh no.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, almost done.
And you?
Almost done, sir.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh God, please let it be. Hey, please.
Well done. Here's your test.
Oh, really? Yes! Oh my, what a day! Oh no! It's morning already! No!